Welcome to our pronunciation channel. Let's improve your pronunciation with this word. He has become one of the most highly rated young midfielders in world football and represents Ecuador at the international level. His name follows Spanish pronunciation rules where the accent mark affects the stress of the word. It is pronounced as Moises Caicedo. Moises Caicedo. And Moises, the stress is on the second syllable, so it is pronounced as Moises. Moises. And in Caicedo, the stress is on the middle syllable, so it is Caicedo. Moises Caicedo. Moises Caicedo. That's all for today. See you in the next pronunciation lesson.